Before battle, it was customary for generals to inspect the entrails, the guts, internal organs, of sacrificial animals to determine the outcome before it actually happened. Livy tells of a dubious story about the siege of Veii by the Romans in 396 BC. The king of this town was sacrificing an animal, and a soothsayer announced that whoever cut out the entrails from the animal would get the victory in the siege. Unbeknownst to him or the soothsayer, Roman soldiers were digging a tunnel underneath him and overheard this exchange. They burst out of their tunnel, cut out the entrails themselves, and probably killing the king in the process, and carried them off to their commander. And thus the siege was won. Not, of course, because the king was killed and the city filled with Roman soldiers coming out of the tunnel, but because the Romans had the good fortune to be the ones to cut out the entrails.